Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to rotate image in Notion. First, click on your image and select download. Now your image will download to your folder, so click on save. Then go to pinetools.com and click on choose a file. Now simply go right here and select your image. And now select how you want to rotate it. So you can select simple 90 degrees left, 90 degrees right, or 180 degrees, or you can straight go to advanced and choose angle that you want. I will choose 90 left. Then I will click on rotate. Now your image has been rotated, and you can choose how you want to download it. I would recommend to download in the JPEG. Now simply select the name of your new image. So I will select image rotated and press save. Now go back to Notion, click on your image and select these more actions and replace. Now click on upload file and select your new image. Now as you can see, your image is successfully rotated. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.